Okay, 95 wants us to solve some inequalities. So let's go through these. These should be getting very easy by now. So we'll subtract 2x from both sides, and we get 5x minus 2 is less than 3. We'll add 2 to both sides, and we'll get 5x is less than 5. And we'll divide by 5 and get x is less than 1. And if we graph that, right, 0, 1, less than is an open circle. Right. Okay, so there's A. B, let's make space. B, we have 1/3 x greater than or equal to 2. Whoops, 1/3 x. Let's rewrite that. B, we have 1/3 x greater than or equal to 2. We multiply both sides of the equation by 3, right? So we get x is greater than or equal to 6. And we graph that 0, 6, greater than or equal is closed circle, and that's to the right. Okay, there's B. Let's make space for C. C, we have 3 times 2m minus 1 minus 5m less than or equal to -1. Okay, we'll distribute first. 6m minus 3 minus 5m less than or equal to -1. Notice on each step I only do one thing. Don't try to combine, right? It's not worth it. So here we have 6m and -5m. That's 1m, or m, minus 3 less than or equal to -1. We add 3 to both sides, and we get m is less than or equal to 2. And we graph this, right? 0, 2, less than or equal is closed. That way. Okay, and D, let's make space. D, we have 2k plus 3 less than or equal to 2k plus 1. Subtract 2k from both sides, and we're left with 3 is less than or equal to 1. So now we say, when is 3 less than or equal to 1? And 3 is never less than or equal to 1, so this is no solution. And if you had to graph it, right, it would just be an empty number line.